I think this debate is something that we should embark upon, given the very troublesome situation in the West Philippine Sea as well as in the Taiwan Straits. Maraming salamat. Thank you, Admiral.
Thank you, Honorable Marcos. Honorable Estrada after
I'm just
Honorable,
reminded,
Honorable Lacson.
Yeah.
Yes.
follow up lang. You are tasked to secure the first family, hindi ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Define first family. Immediate family, even extended family, like, no, not other families, but which brings me to my next question. Are you also securing the president's siblings?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So, meron kayo naka-assign kay Miss Irene.
Yes po, Your Honor.
May naka-assign din kayo kay Senator Amy.
Your Honor,
Next question is explain why. Or why not?
Your Honor, I can say this out in the open. When I arrived po, third month ko na ngayon, ma'am. Tinanong ko po kung
You are the
Mayroon-
chairman, not
yes,
Senator Amy.
yes po. Yes po. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, when I arrived 3 months ago, last week of November, I diagnosed the command and I studied the security plans and the close-in protection system of the PSC. And when I checked all the personnel assigned, nakita ko po that there was no personnel assigned to our
So,
chair.
what
Your
do you intend to do about it now that you're the head of the PSG?
Your Honor, it is mandated for us to protect the siblings, and I will talk to the good senator for the preparation of his security.
It's a basic function, basic tasking, basic duty of the PSG to secure the siblings. It is not up to the presidential sister, in this case, Senator Marcos, if she needs security or not. Because if something happens to her, it's your responsibility, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So how do you intend to go about it now?
I will prepare security teams for honor for our good senator.
So even if she refuses, you will assign a contingent to secure her.
That's the mandate, Your Honor.
Tama yung sagot mo. Thank you,
Thank you.
Mr. Chairman.
But if,
Thank-
Mr. Chair, just one question.
Honorable Estrada.
What if the president does not allow it? What will you do?
That is the next way forward, Your Honor. That's the next step to.
Excuse me?
Your Honor, that's the. That's the
I'll
next
posit an answer. I'll cross the bridge when I get there.
Your Honor, I will cross the bridge when I get there.
Okay, that's it.